In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the payment failed error on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Payment failures on Etsy usually happen because of incorrect details, bank security checks, or billing mismatches, not because your card is unusable. Now, if you want to fix the payment failed issue on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by checking your card details carefully. Make sure the card number, expiry date, CVV, and cardholder name are correct. It's best to re-enter everything manually instead of using autofill. Next, check your available funds and limits. Ensure your account has enough balance, your daily limit isn't reached, and online or international payments are enabled. After that, match your billing address exactly with your bank records. Even small differences in postal code or spelling can cause the payment to fail. Then, log in again to your account on Etsy and retry the checkout. Also, disable any VPN or proxy before trying again, since location mismatches can trigger bank security blocks. Use a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. If the issue continues, contact your bank to approve the transaction or remove any temporary restrictions. That's it. By correcting your details, confirming with your bank, and avoiding security triggers, you can quickly fix the payment failed error and complete your purchase successfully.